Hey, this is a really easy, simple tutorial on how to get the shimmery, fairy kind of look. So if you're interested, stay tuned. This is my makeup box full of my everyday makeup. Some eyelashes I got on Amazon, a face painting kit that I also got on Amazon, and water for the face painting kit that I totally forgot to grab, so I'm just using water from my Starbucks cup. I use Pinterest on my iPad for some makeup inspiration when I'm doing some fun makeup looks. This is me. I'm really proud of this look. I use a Smashbox foundation. This is just a basic Wet n Wild eyeliner pencil that I use for my eyebrows. It's very pigmented, so I have to draw in or color in like very lightly. I just make a basic simple line on the top of my natural brow line, if you can even see it because I barely have any eyebrows, and just fill it in very lightly. This is a picture I decided to use as my main point of inspiration. I really like the shimmery lavender kind of look. This is a blush that I'm going to be using. Use whatever blush works best for you. This deep kind of plum color just works really well with my skin color. So I put the blush directly below my cheekbone and down to probably like the 2/3 mark of my cheek, and then all over the tip of my nose.
A way of life, a way of thinking.
I put some blush on my lips too because it's just easier than finding a lip tint that matches perfectly with the blush I already have. Using the face paint, I use dark purple, white, and pink to make kind of a lavender tint. And then once I have that made perfectly, I make sort of like a cat eye eyeshadow look. And it doesn't stay glossy, it dries matte. These are some liquid eyeshadows by Stila. I got this whole pack for $12. I'm going to be using this rose goldish one. I'm going to be using an old sponge, and I'm just going to put a layer of that liquid eyeshadow on the tip and dab it around my cheeks and my nose, and eventually on my eyes to make this natural shimmery look. I mean, as natural as shimmery can be, because no one's skin really looks like this. I also put a bit on my waterline, just for fun. Felt like doing it. No real reason. That's my husband pretending to hit me in the head with a baseball bat. I promise he likes me. So for the eyeliner, you can obviously use whatever eyeliner you like, but I really like liquid eyeliner. That's just the one I've always used. I slowed it down so you guys can see how I do this process. Since it does kind of glob when you take it out of the little bottle, I start in the middle of my eyelid because that's usually where it's going to be the thickest. And once the tip of the brush is a little bit thinner, that's when I go to the corners. Then I just fill it in. I barely have any eyelashes, so I just throw a little bit of mascara on there so it's not the color of my foundation. And I use a little bit of that black eyeliner from earlier to line my waterline just a little bit. For my eyelashes, I use this Duo glue. It dries black, so that's why I like to use this one. This is just a shimmery lip gloss I got from, I think it was like Forever 21 or something. It was like $2. So any lip gloss works. Then I play around with my hair a little bit, and that's it. That's the whole look. Again, that was like really easy. It was fun. And if you're looking for just like an everyday look, if that's your thing, or just something fun to do, I hope this helped. And if you guys do try this out, definitely post it on Twitter and Instagram, tag me, because I'd love to see it. I really hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys later. Bye!